I'd like to show you a few things on the welder here. This one has MFX or MotionFX software. We call it MFX for short. It's completely programmable on the X, the Y, the Z, and rotary. Right now I'm going to weld two pieces together. I'm going to spot weld this. That means it's going to go through one and into the other. These are titanium. They're about maybe 0.5 millimeter thick. And here we go. You can watch up there. I'm going to put this. I'm using the joystick to get it right in place where I want it. I think that one did. It would be best if I had a jig for this. We'll put one more right here. Okay. There's just 3 spot welds. Held it together. Now we can also program this if we want to do the spot welds and move. Come here to teach mode. I'm going to be drawing a line. Start point. Move it slightly. And point. Okay. Then I'm going to move it to the next one. At the point, I add that move shape. And I go back to line. Put that in. Put that in. Added the line. And I go back to move. Move to this one here. So now it's programmed and we're going to do a dry run. Burp. There we go. Okay. And we'll run it. All right, we'll do one more. There we go. No longer discolored. And those are on there. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is welding these little batteries. There's a ring in here. They just want a little arc on either side. So there's my first point right there. I'm going to go to teach mode and put an arc. So I'll use that as my first point. Arc takes 3 points. Here's my second point. And here's my third point. Add that shape. And then I'm going to move it. Do one on the opposite side. And here's the first point of this arc. Second point. And third point. Add that shape. I add all. Now I could come over here. Let's look at my speed. I previously put it to 0.75. I put a gas on delay, and that looks pretty good. Now we'll do a dry run. Okay. Let's see if we can get the crosshairs up on there. There we go. Okay, so that looks pretty good. And let's run it. Okay, done. And if I had a jig, I can repeat that all day long.